Hello everyone and welcome back. So this week is shop update week. So the shop is closed currently because I am on holiday, but it opens again on the 27th of October and the shop update is on the 28th, okay? So remember that date. So we have this beauty in orange with the ferns and the mushrooms. It's very, very cute. I love the orange, and of course it's autumn. So it goes beautifully with everything, even leaves. I haven't got a design for the underneath. I am gonna do a design for the underneath, but it's gonna be when I come back from my holiday. So it'll be the first thing I do when I get back. I'm going to do the designs for it while I'm on holiday. Yes, I know, I should be taking a holiday, but there are still things that unfortunately I need to do. So I'll just do little bits and pieces of work. But I do promise I'm going to read a lot of books and do a lot of swimming. I am going to chill. The other one we have is the pumpkin one that we did a couple of weeks ago, which I love, which now has this cute little tassel with a pumpkin and a leaf. Very cute. Again, I haven't done something for the underneath, but with both of them, the design underneath will be something similar to what is on the hat, but it'll be a different design. Again, I will work on this one when I am away. And this one. Now I call this colour mushroom. It's a green, but it's a slight browny green, and it's so pretty. I love it. It is such a nice colour. Perfect for autumn. And of course, you've got your signature Steph Olivia design, which is the mushrooms all the way around with the leaves and then the mushrooms on the underneath. And yeah, I love it. It's super beautiful. So yeah, we've got 3 hats going in the shop update. It's not a huge amount because I still have some hats left from the last update. I think it was a summer update I did. But yes, very happy. So again, it's just a little reminder, the shop is closed. It will be open on the 27th and these hats should go up on the 28th. If you want to catch one of those. So, thanks guys, this is a very short video. Shop update ones are usually short, but I'm on holiday, so this video is being made right before I go away. So, as always, thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I always have an awesome time with you guys. Make sure to hit that hype button. I almost said like button because I'm so used to saying like. The hype button. And as always, thank you so much for coming and hanging out. If you would like any ebooks or digital designs, please check the links below. And yeah, I'll see you next time.